I want to chop your heart. Never did it back and it's real. Open up, make us feel. Yeah, my love want to make a bad man feel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with an unboxing from Printed Mint. Of course, they did not let us down and they released a new candle. It is an amber jar candle and I have all of the specs in an unboxing for you. You guys may have seen my last video where I showed you a tutorial of how to upload it and we went over the scents as well. The amber jar candle, which I have here, the cost is $9.50. It was $8.99 shipping to me in Texas. So I paid a total of $17.63. I ordered it on October 18th. It shipped on October 19th and arrived on October 25th. Fast. I have my sticker that comes on the outside of my box. It's always packaged well no matter what I order from Printed Mint. The first thing I see on top is a candle safety card, which is always good. In here it has what I ordered. I ordered a sage candle. I think it's a sage scent. And then of course my logo card. I need to one day actually create my card so it says something more than my logo, but I'm just so used to doing these videos for tutorial purposes that I don't. Crinkle paper. Y'all know I love the crinkle paper. This one is packaged really good. Let's see if I can go ahead and get that out. There we go. So it comes wrapped in this brown paper here. And then you have your candle. I have my twine here, my logo on the back and the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap that. I'm gonna open that up. And this time I'm not gonna tear the bag because I wanna do a few reels. Hopefully I don't rip the bag. Let's see. I might rip the bag. I got it out. Here is candle. I got each something. All right, and here a design. This is the sister design that I created. It looks really good. I do love the color and the image looks like it's just popping out on the jar. So that looks really cute to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and we're gonna do the smell test. Oh, that smells delightful. It has that small hint of sage, but it's not overpowering. That smells relaxing. So the scent, as always, does not disappoint. My image came out really good. I love the amber jar. It's really sexy for the winter with a gold top. And of course, always they have the candle safety stuff at the bottom, as well as the initials for the scent that you choose, which is also amazing. Like I told you guys, you can always rename the scent because I could say this is Sage Your Timeline. If y'all haven't seen my gift, Sage Your Timeline, I might try to find it and put it in this video. But if you look for the gift of Sage Your Timeline, SAGYA Timeline, you'll find me doing this. If I wanted to name this Sage Your Timeline, I could, and then I'll let them know that the scent, the actual scent smells like sage, whatever. I feel like it's sage cherry or something. Was it on here? No. So I don't remember, but you can look at it and look at the past video that I did to see. But as always, I love the candle. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. And I don't know what else are they going to surprise us with this holiday season, but I'm loving all of the candles as always. And when I find out about anything new from any print on demand sites that really interests me, I'll definitely go ahead and do a video and order the item. I would not order anything that I would not sell. And honestly, all of the Printed Mint candles I will sell. Let me know if I should add some of them to my Etsy store because actually I haven't. Let me know which style or which design that you guys would like to see me sell this holiday season on a candle. And until next time,